Okay, so hello everyone. Let's say you guys are fucking idiots. Okay, hello everyone. Let's say you guys are working as a freelancer or working at a company where you have multiple projects to work on. भाई दिमाग खराब है. कभी ये VS कोड ओपन करो, कभी ये देखो, कभी उसको देखो. But it's fine. Your bro got you covered. तो सारे VS कोड बंद करो. Go to extension and search for project manager. Okay, now this is a cool extension. What this does is you can just install this extension. You can set up your multiple projects in here. Now I have this one, and I'm gonna set up this project as, and I'm gonna call it whatever it says, the backend service. Okay, so this is one of mine. So I can open another project. Let's say I can go for one more. That was this my portfolio project, and I can also add this as a portfolio, right? So my two projects have been added in here. Let's say I came back, I opened the VS Code, and now I am in my portfolio project. I wanted to shift to my backend service project. So I just need to click here. VS Code extension is this single one, and I have shifted to my other project. See, so it's that easy. Now there is another extension, Peacock, if you wanted to add different colors to your different projects, and that's also doable. And it is that simple. You can also add your GitHub projects as well. Let's say you can set up your GitHub projects. You can have multiple, maybe hundreds of your GitHub projects aligned up in here, and it can easily work with all of those as well.